Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to discuss the concept of solar system. I'm going to discuss the concept of solar system because it's a very basic but very important concept. Because students or kids don't understand the concept of solar system well. The reason is very simple. Because there is no better visualization. In normal 2D diagrams, we don't have enough kind of potential to have the basic understanding of solar system in a better way. That's why this website named solarsystemscope.com provides a much better scope for such enthusiasts who want to have a deep down understanding of solar system and related planets. So as this website says, it's a free online model of solar system and night sky. Here you can go and have the free night view of your solar system and the solar system. If you want to start the online model, you need to click here. So it's loading. It's 90%, pretty fast loading. My system is a bit average. If your system is slow, it might take some time. Here you can say it's starting. And it has started. Welcome to the solar system. I request you to have a view of this whole animation for 2 minutes, and then you will understand the magic. It's the galaxy view. It's a researcher. It's the sun here in center. It's Earth, our Mother Earth. It's Mercury and other planets. Okay. It's the kind of night view. Now it is the zoomed version of the same thing. Here it's the Earth. Here is the sun. On the front part where the light is, here is the day. Here is the night. It's the moon. So see how clear, how impactful visualization of the whole solar system is presented here. So in this way, you can make them students ready to have a basic enthusiasm to understand the solar system. So let's load it. I click and now it's started. Okay. Now the model loaded and now it is the front view. That was the basic animation before the actual website. Now it is the actual website. Here you can see it's a Jupiter, it's a Saturn, it's a Pluto, Mars, Venus, Mercury, it's behind Sun, and it's the Earth. Suppose we are interested in Earth, obviously we are living on Earth. So double click on it. Here the Earth Explorer will come. You click on it and then you will have different types of options like visit, encyclopedia, and the structure. Visit will give the zoomed version of Earth in front of you. And here you can see the Earth looks like this. You can rotate it like this, like you do in Google Earth. So here you can see how sharp and clear vision is available here. Okay. And as you are moving, the space is also moving. You can see the back side. Okay, here it's the sun, and if sun is there, then obviously it's the daytime part. And you can see that in India it's the evening time because sunlight and shadow is there, and here it's the night because sun is there, so it's the back side. So in this way you can have the actual view of the planet. You can rotate it like that. Additionally, you can click on planet system, and again it will go to the actual prehistoric image. Then you can go to the orbit, encyclopedia. Encyclopedia will give you the lots of options where the respective values are given there, like the equivalent diameter, mass, mean distance from sun, the rotational period, solar orbit period, surface gravity, surface temperature. Additionally, if you are interested in much more detail, you can go down. You can have the axial tilt, magnitude field, the surface, and the other details. You can go back and you can click on the structure. Structure is very important part. I really liked it. Here, it gives you the surface information as well as the inner details. So here you can see the Earth's crust together with the uppermost parts of the mantle forms the lithosphere. So here you can see that it is the crust, it is the mantle. Okay. Below it, there is an outer core which is filled of liquid iron and nickel. Then there is the inner core, which consists of the dense solid iron and nickel. So in this way, you can have much more information, you can understand and make the students ready to have a basic understanding of solar system. Let's go back and we switch the planet. If I click on the switch planet, here the different planets will come. Okay, you click on any of the planets and that planet will come in front, and you can have the same information like we had with respect to Earth. You can see there. Now it's the Venus. Again, you can rotate it like this. Here the sunlight is coming, here not, and all the similar options. So if we are interested in the night sky, click on the night sky. Here you can see that with respect to Venus, here it is the Venus, and the night sky is like this. Okay, now you can rotate it like this. You can go down left or right, and you can see the view. Isn't it amazing? Quite amazing. Now, if you want to have the view of other things, like you want to have the planet explored, then a dedicated part that is only with respect to the exploration of particular planet. If you want to explore the stars, then there is a star explorer. If you want to see what is near to stars, then you can click on it. If you want to have the messier objects, then you can click on it. And there is the night sky. So we are currently in night sky. Solar system we have already seen. Click on the planet explorer. Here, these are the different planets. Okay, it is the star explorer. So these are the different stars. You can go on to one and then you can click and then you can see the different things. Like I click on Sirius. So it is Sirius. Again, you can rotate it like this and then you can see other things. There is no nearby other planet because obviously stars are very far from each other. Okay, so in this way, if you click on near stars, then it will show you the things which are near to stars. So you can see with respect to Sirius, the sun position is this. Okay. Because sun is also considered a star. So in this way, near to stars, these are the different other things. Then we click on it again, and then we want to see the messier objects. So click on the messier object, then messier 1, messier 2. So different messier objects are presented. So if I click on messier 1, then here messier 1, Crab Nebula, NGC 1952, Taurus is a supernova remnant. Its creation corresponds to the SN 1054 supernova recorded by the Chinese astronomers in AD 1054. Okay, and then the other details are presented here. So it is the Crab Nebula. Here you can see it's highlighted here. And you can shift the space according to your wish. That's the pretty amazing feature of this website. So whoever made it, those are pretty genius. Really good. artwork. Okay, so in this way you can shift on to the next star pack. So Messier 100199, and if I click on forward 1000, then the number is increasing 1 2 3 4 2000 and 7, I think 1010. Okay, so in this way you can explore it. Then there are settings. In settings you can go, you can have the height and show options, which is stars. Do you want to have stars, star names, the measure objects, star positions, the scale grid, the distant names and the lines, and some other parameters you can set according to your needs. Okay. Then in addition to view setting, you can have the system setting, where you can go and select the language, you can have the audio, the quality, and the counts, and then the metrics. Okay. Then there are some geo settings also. Geolocation. So with respect to Pondicherry, that is in India. So here you can see Pondicherry becomes the center of it. Then the Moscow, Pittsburgh, Los Angeles, New York, Vancouver, Mexico City, Bogota, Lima, and so on. So many things are there. Then here are the eastern, north coordinates. So let's close it and we move on to other things, and that is the search option. So here in search option, you can go to the solar system. Then in solar system, you can search the sun, planets, dwarf planets, comets of the spacecrafts. You can go to the stars, you can search for any particular star. Then you can go to the Messier object, and then you can search, and you can go to the galactic center, and then you can search for the galactic center. So in this way, you can have pretty much amazing view, coordination, information, and the visualization at a single place. And that's the solar system. So, hope you must have liked this video. If yes, then please carry on, learn more, explore more, and suggest me also some really good website, pretty amazing visualization, views, and some other links in the comments below down. And thanks to watch this video. Happy love.